quick though, otherwise we'll get told off. This song is about a club here. Well, it's not about the club. The song came before the club, but you've probably been to the club. I've DJ'd there lots and lots of times. I used to do that with Steve Mackey a lot. It's a great place. Do you know what it's called? Pardon? Yeah, it's called Razzmatazz. And are we ready? Are you ready? Are you sure that you're ready? Okay. Trouble with your brother, he's always sleeping with your mother. I know that your sister missed her time again this month. I'm not talking to friends, are you just playing dumb? If you want, I could write it down. Shouldn't matter to you, cause aren't you the one with your Razzmatazz and the nights on the town? And you knew it, and you blew it, didn't fail. I was lying when I asked you to stay, and I know I was going to care. You don't call on when you said you tried to come around tonight to try and talk you into bed. All those stupid little things, they ain't working. Well, they ain't working anymore. Oh. Started getting fatter 3 weeks after I left it. Now you're going with some kid. He looks like some comedian. Are you gonna go out? Are you staying at home? Eating boxes of milk tray. Watch TV on your own. Or are you the one? Or in the old Razzmatazz and the nights on the town? Father, wants to help you, don't you need a favor? But your mother wants to fuck you while you're mad. It's complicated. You don't call on when you said it's not tonight to try and talk you into bed. Things, no, they ain't working. Waiting for a test. You try to look like some kind of evidence for you. Face is such a mess. And now you're going to a party. Well, I'm sorry. You need to say that you're never with a little bit of That's it, we gotta go. Thank you very much. Love you. Love you. Thanks. Bye.